So good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we were doing narration. Yesterday I also taught you narration, a day before yesterday also. So I think now you should be very much proficient in doing narrations of present indefinite, present continuous and present perfect tense. 3 narrations rules have been discussed. And yesterday we were discussing exercise from your grammar book. So let's continue with the same exercise. So take out your grammar books, open it at page number 144 we were discussing yesterday. So how many sentences were discussed? How many sentences were discussed? Okay, 5. So 6th sentence we have is, he said to his old friend, we are living in our old house now. We are living in our old house now. So he said to his old friend. Said to will change into told. So he told his friend. He told his old friend. Now who will solve this sentence? I'm not going to solve. You people will be solving. So get ready. Get ready because yesterday I have discussed rules with you. So I expect this answer from Mithul. Yes, Mithul, you tell me this answer. Unmute yourself. Mithul, unmute yourself. Mithul. Drishti. Drishti. Answer. Yes.
He told his old friend that they were living in their old house then.
Speak slowly. Said to will change into told.
Told.
He told his old friend in place of comma, inverted comma. What will come? That.
That.
You cannot keep your camera on. You haven't got ready. Yes. Now tell me. He told his old friend that
They were.
Yes. They were
living in
their spellings will be
Their.
very good. So spellings will be here. Their old house.
Then.
Yes. Yesterday I have told you that now word will change into then. Clear? So he told his old friend that they were living in their old house then. Very good, Drishti. You are a very attentive girl, intelligent girl of my class. Keep it up. Very, very good. Now let's get ready for the next sentence. Sentence number 7. All of you start solving it on your book. I can ask any of the child to tell me answer of 7 sentence. So get ready with that. She said at the party. She said at the party. We haven't heard this song before. We haven't heard this song before. She said at the party, we haven't heard this song before. So this answer I expect from. Now, Mitul, are you ready with the answer? Vaibhav, are you ready? Vaibhav. Vaibhav, are you ready with the answer?
No, ma'am.
Why? Just keep your camera on.
Ma'am.
Try to solve. Try to solve. I help you. Keep your camera on. Keep your camera on, Vaibhav. I will help you how to solve it. Vaibhav, you will be marked absent. Earlier you have spoken. No, ma'am. I am saying I will help you. Okay, bache. Now tell me. Said to will change into. Sorry, said. Only she said.
Ma'am, told.
Okay. Very good. Said will change into told.
Told.
Told. Speak afterwards. At the party will remain. Same. Yes, bache. She told at the party. Told at the party. Comma inverted comma will change into what?
That.
Okay. We will change into.
We will change.
We will change into.
Ma'am, they.
They. Okay, very good. And have not will change into. Have not will change into. Have denotes present. This present will become past.
Yes, ma'am.
So have will change into.
Haven't.
Haven't will change into what?
Was.
That's very bad. I told you yesterday, has and have, they get changed into had.
Ma'am, had not.
So have not will change into. Tell me, Vaibhav. Haven't will change into. Vaibhav.
Ma'am, had not.
Yes.
Had not.
They had not. After this, speak. They had not heard. This will change into. Vaibhav, keep your camera on. Why are you keeping it off?
Ma'am, that.
This will change into.
That.
That. That song before. But there is we, na? She said at the party, we haven't heard this. If it is I will change according to she, so it will become first person changes according to subject she. But we will change according to she. So she said at the party, she had not heard that. But here we is a plural. So according to that, according to she, it should be they. Clear? Now let's move to sentence number 8. Start doing sentence number 8. My father said to me, He had been waiting for you. He had been waiting for you since morning. He had been waiting for you since morning. So who wants to solve it? Himalaya, are you ready with the answer? Himalaya. Try to do, bache, I will help you. I will help you to solve it. Now tell me. Tell me, Himalaya. My father said to me, change. My father said to me. Said to will change into?
Ma'am, my father told me.
Very good. Very, very good. My father told me. Yes, in place of comma, inverted comma, what will come?
Ma'am, that.
Very good. My father told me that he will change. He will remain same. Because it is which person? It is which person?
मैम आपने ये लिखा क्या है? एक मिनट.
He had been.
मैम ही रहेगा.
Okay, very good. So it means he will remain same. And had been. Had been.
मैम was.
Had been will also remain same. He had been. See, whenever we have been given has or have, it changes into had. But if already had is given, so it will remain same. My father told me that he had been waiting for. You will change into. You will change.
मैम me.
Okay, very good. Waiting for me since morning. Clear? So my father told me that he had been waiting for me since morning. Am I clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You have tried well. So bache, check your answers. Now let's move to sentence number 9. Let's do sentence number 9. My elder sister said to me, my elder sister said to me, you can dance. You can dance in the reality show if mother does not object. My elder sister said to me, you can dance in the reality show if mother does not object. So tell me its answer. Who is going to tell me? So many students are typing in chat box. Their answer is absolutely correct.
Can I?
No, bache, wait. All of you get ready with your answer. I can ask any of the child. Okay, Harmanpreet, you tell me this answer. Harmanpreet. Harmanpreet, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to solve. My elder sister said to me.
My elder sister told me that I can.
Wait. Let me. My elder sister told me that. Now you is a which person? You is
First person, ma'am.
You is the first person.
First. No, ma'am. Second person.
So second person will change according to
Object.
object. So you will change into
I.
I. Very good. So my elder
I could.
can will change into
Could.
could. I could
Dance in a reality show if mother doesn't object.
wait.
Didn't object.
Dance.
Didn't object.
In the reality show if mother does not will change into
Did not.
Arman does not will change into
Ma'am, did not.
did not object. Good. Well tried. Okay. So, bache, you can check your answer. Number 9. You can check answer number 9. Now we have question number 10. That is the last question we have. She said to her friend, she said to her friend, I lost my pen yesterday. I lost my pen yesterday. She said to her friend, I lost my pen yesterday. So said to will change into, who is going to solve it? I can ask any of them.
Can I?
Okay, Lakshay, you try. Wait.
Ma'am, can I?
Lakshay,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
tell. She said to her friend, I lost my pen yesterday.
She told to her friend that
Told, wait. What did you speak? Told.
told her friend
Why did you speak told to? Achha, I told you yesterday that with told you are not supposed to use word to. With told never speak to word. I said to you, it means I told you. Okay? With told
Okay, ma'am.
never use word to.
yes, ma'am.
With told never use word to. Clear? Now try to solve. Now
When she told her friend
she told
her friend that
that
she lost
I is which person?
first person
First person changes according to
subject
what is subject here?
she
She. So she told her friend that
she lost
what are you saying? I will change into
she
she. Okay. She
lost her pen
lost is which verb?
first one.
Lost, lose, lost. So
Second.
second form.
Yes, ma'am.
Second form will change into had plus third form. So she lost. My will change into
Her.
her. She had lost her pen. And yesterday will change into
Last day.
previous day. Previous. She told her friend that she had lost her pen previous day. So all of you check your answer from this. Check your answer from this. She told her friend that she had lost her pen previous day. Clear, beta? So narration topic is done. We are able to do PT1 and PT2 rules in detail we have done, and we have done exercise first. Also, we have discussed all the answers. You can check your answers from the backboard. If there is any error, any mistake, you can rectify that error. Clear, bachche? Am I clear to you? Tell me, am I clear to you? Now I am going to take next topic, that is transitive verb and intransitive verb. So get ready with that. And all of you keep yourself mute. 900. What happened? Today we will be doing transitive and intransitive verb. Okay. See, suppose one of the sentence is given to you. Suppose one of the sentence is given to you, and in that sentence, object is given. Okay, for example, I gave you a ball. Now, see, this is sentence, I gave you a ball. What is gave here? Type in chat box. What is gave here? Type in chat box. Let me read chat box. What is gave here? Only Guneet knows. Others, only Jasleen. Guneet and Jasleen. Lakshay. Okay. Only 3 students know what is gave. Shall we move to class 3 and class 4? They're also having their online class. Shall I move there and ask them what is gave here? Let's go. Gave here is a verb. And a ball here is an. See, now this sentence is given, I gave you a ball. And it is giving the answer of what question? For example, what did I give you? What did I give you? What will be this answer? If I make this question, what did I give you? What will be its answer? Type in chat box, online students. What will be the object here? What did I give you? What will be your answer? Yes, answer will be a ball. It means answer will come in the form of an object. When you can frame a question by putting what, and when it is giving the answer of what, and it is an object in front of you, this verb will be considered which verb? Transitive. Am I clear? So within 1 minute, within 2 minutes, you can understand this concept. What is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb? I gave you a ball. First of all, identify what is verb. Then identify that in this sentence object is given or not. If object is given, then try to frame question by putting interrogative this what. If you are able to frame this question by putting what, for example, what did I give you, and you are also getting the answer of what, it means a ball. You are getting this object in the, you are getting this answer, a ball, in the form of an object. It means your verb will be transitive verb. Am I clear? If you want, you can jot down this thing. Afterwards, I will move further. Hurry up, jot down. Now I will be writing some of the sentences and you have to find out object and you have to tell which verb is this. She ate an apple. She ate an apple. Now what is ate here? What is ate here? Verb. And what is an apple here? What is an apple here? Online students, you have gone to sleep. Why are you not typing? Only 3-4 students are typing. Others are taking rest. Or still they are in their bed. Only Guneet, Jasleen, Lakshay, 3 students are typing. What about others? Yes, Jalashveer, Sanya, very good. What about others? Tell me what is an apple here? Type in chat box. Hurry up. Yes, an apple is a, yes, very good, Drishti. It is what? It is. Now question, try to frame question using what? Are you able to frame question using what? Are you able to frame question using what? She ate an apple. So what will be the question of that? What will be the question by using what? What did she eat? So if this is the question, what did she eat? What will be its answer? Answer will be simple, an apple. And this apple is what? It is, what did she eat? An apple. It is an object. So which verb is this? So this will be transitive verb. Clear? But if I speak, she ate on time. Can you frame this question by using word what? Can you frame this question by using a word what? No, so many students are typing no, that's good. Are you able to find out any object here? Ate is what? Ate is verb. So are you able to find out any object here? Type, tell me. Okay, so many students are typing in chat box. No. Guneet has written, what did she eat on time? But beta, will you get the answer? If I speak, what did she eat on time? Line is she ate on time. So it means you are not able to find out any object here. So when you are not able to find out any object, it means no object is given. No object is given. And you are not able to frame question by using word what. So then what verb it will be? It will be, tell me, intransitive. Simple, very simple. When you are not able to find out any object and when you are not able to frame its question using a word what, so it means which verb is this? It is intransitive verb. It means action is done. Verb is there, action is done, but this action does not pass any object. So when action or verb does not pass any object, when in any of the sentence no object is there, you are not able to frame the question by using what word. So what verb will be considered? It will be considered intransitive verb. So we will be doing exercise tomorrow. Okay. So you all should have grammar books tomorrow. We will be discussing exercise page number 77, exercise 1 we will be discussing tomorrow.